Okay, so how I make a chart in Excel is I click and highlight. So you're holding down your clicker and then dragging all this, or like highlighting it all. And then when you get to the end, this little thing here pops up. Click on that, go to charts, and then pick whatever chart you want. We'll go with this one. There's your chart. It's already done. So to format it, you click on this little paintbrush and you can change the style. You do the glow in the dark one, which is cool. You could change the color scheme. Change it to that one. See how it's all neon now? Then, if you want, you can change the name of the chart title. You just click on it and then highlight it and put Bangladesh population or whatever. Then click outside of it. You can leave all this alone, or you can change it if you want. You just click on this thing again, or you can right click and just change the color the way it is, or you could fill it, fill the shape, say with blue. There you go. You can right click in this area. Oh, just come over here again to the paintbrush and then do color. You can change the colors all together if you want. Style. Another thing I like to do is, where's it at? You can change these here if you want. But what I was looking for is, click on it and then, yeah, I right clicked on it over here. So you can format the chart area. Which ones you want to show. You can change it around. You just pick which one looks better. What I was gonna do though, right click, there we go, fill. Then you go down to gradient. Then you can make it even more fancy. You can choose a different color. Let's see, let's do gradient, dark variation. Just hover over them and it shows you what it looks like. And that's about it. Pretty easy. And then you just click out of there, and then when you get the little crosshairs there, grab it and pull it wherever you want to put it. And then if you want to insert pictures, so let's say we'll just leave that there. We would go erase the one behind it, but let's say we'll do that. Move this one over. We're going to get rid of that one. We're going to click on this one. We're going to right click. And then after you right click on this one, you're going to go up here to cut and get rid of it. Then we're going to go back over here, click on it, and drag it over here, put it back. Now, if you want to insert a picture, click out of there. If you want to insert a picture, go up here to insert, click on that, illustrations, click on that, and then you can upload from your own computer or from online. So I pick online. And this is really cool. I just discovered this a couple months ago. So you put in whatever you want. So I'm going to put in Bangladesh people and then hit search. Now, you can click this or not click it, doesn't matter. Go down here, find what you're trying to say in a picture. We could go with this train. We'll go with the train. Now, I don't know how to add two pictures at once, so I just add them individually. If you add them two at once, then they get stuck together somehow. I haven't figured that out yet. So we're going to click Insert. And then there's the picture. Now, oops, move that. Grab this one. It's pretty big, so we're going to make it smaller. Click on this side where it goes like a diagonal. Click it and then pull it down. And then click it and grab it up. You can adjust its size. Get a lot smaller. And then grab it and bring it over here, down here in the corner. Where'd it go? There it is. Click it and grab it and pull it down. Sometimes you gotta inch it down. Stick it right here. Now, if you want to put a frame on it so you can see it better, because the background's white, you can do that. Put a frame, or you can do a shadow, or whatever you want. There's different ways to do it. Circle around it. All these different frames here. That's kind of cool. And then when you're done finding the right spot for it, just click out of it. And then there you go. If you want to add a text box, you just go over here to go up to the top, hit Insert, click your text box, and then just draw it wherever you want, like this, and then type in there. Type inside how to make a chart by right-clicking. And then you just highlight that, format it the way you want. Some people like different fonts. Some instructors want Times New Roman for everything. So you go down here, Times New Roman 12, make the things red, make it bold, then you can center it, and then if you want, click out of it, and you can grab this and fill it with a green. And that's how you add it. And you can make it bigger, make it longer, you can make it bigger, you can center it right in the middle like that, then you can just highlight it, and you can make it really big, like a large font. There, you can just move it. When you're done, just click on it. It has the crosshairs, and then you can move it wherever you want. Like that, just for fun. And then if you're like, oh, I don't like that, I'm going to just right click it and cut it. Right click, hit the crosshairs, right click it, then hit cut. And it's gone. Now, if you don't like anything that you just did, like by adding that picture, you can just right click it, hit cut. And then what if you're like, oh shoot, I did need that because I needed to show people on the train. Then you're like, oh crap. So you go up here to the left reverse button up here. I call it reverse. And it pops it right back up exactly like you had it. Look at that. Magic. And that's it. Hope that helps. Have a great day.